Oh my gosh, I'm so curious about this Target.
Target.
That's right. Look, it's so little. It's so little. It's so cute. How cute. Starbucks, as in every Target. This is awesome. But it's like mini-sized. I love that it's mini-sized. What else? Order pickup, okay. Produce section. Small section of clothing. Of course, very large UT section, as it is in the middle of UT. Look! Oh my goodness. Okay, I have to take a picture of this for my friend. All right, Taco Bell Cantina. We're not eating, we're just looking.
Okay, is way over there.
Nice. Okay, it's just Taco Bell. Hello, well. It's a cherry icy. I haven't had one of those in years.
Nice and cold?
No, we used to get them at Target. Yes, cherry icy. Okay, we're at Mount Bonnell. It's a little bit of a hike, and then you go to a lookout point where you can see the beautiful views similar to the one you just saw a second ago. Oh, is there a shaved ice truck? I didn't see it. Oh, I sure did. Look at that. All right. All right. The boat stunt jet skis. Look at that. Oh my gosh. There is a point beyond here that we will travel to, hike to, where we can really see out. It's busy today though. Lots of people.
Memorial Day weekend.
Yeah, it's Memorial Day weekend, so we're gonna have to share the space. I don't know why it says that. I think it means the fence, behind the fence. Whoa! Pay attention to where you're going. Okay. All right. Oh, a lot of the trees have grown up, but look at that. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna stand up here. Okay. Isn't that stunning? Oh, I hope the camera can pick it up.
You can see the tower at University of Texas.
Oh yeah, UT Tower, the football stadium, the practice field. It's amazing. Okay, so if you can't really see it in the camera, I'll be inserting pictures right here. All right, here we go. Some more. My legs are shaky. Whew. Definitely need tennis shoes on. My running shoes would be better, but it's okay. There you go. Look at that. Oh my goodness. You look while I traverse this. Okay. Careful, honey. The boat's down there. So amazing. Sorry for the constant shutter clicking. Okay, should we venture back here? Are we brave? There's snakes and critter.
You're looking for Menorah.
Oh my gosh, let's see what's back here. I can still hear voices, so. Rob! He touched my shoulder. Okay.
Good job.
You stop that. It's a good thing I'm small. Okay. What?
Where are you taking me?
Oh, just right back there. Okay. Okay, well, that wasn't as exciting as I thought it would be. Oh my goodness. Yes, that's what I had and got rid of. Ooh. Oh, baby. Oh, here's another. Let's see. Oh, the plane up there. All right, let's see what's... I saw that, yeah. Pretty cool. I don't know if you can see it in the lens. I mean, in the camera. What is it?
It's a red baron, but he actually had 3 wings.
Oh. That's awesome. Alrighty. You guys, this is totally worth a visit. It's extremely hot today, though. I will say that. I mean, if you can come in the spring and the fall, but especially if you're not used to the heat here, like we are, we're used to this heat and humidity. But even in the spring and the fall, you really need to bring water. And bring your pets. Pets are welcome. But do take care in the fact that it's very hard and hot on their paws. What is it? Oh, I walked right past that. I didn't even see it. Here you go. So just hit pause. Highest point in Austin city limits. Interesting. So just hit pause and you can read that. I'll come on the other side. There you go. Oh, a possum. Hit pause. I think this is very interesting. You see a lot of this in Houston as well. So it's a Texas thing. So anyway, there you go. You can hit pause and read. All right. Oh my gosh, my face is dripping from my sunglasses. Oh. What? I gotta go.
On every tree.
Yes, yes.
I should come out there so we can take a backdrop selfie. No? You want us to take a picture of you all? Oh, you're so sweet, but I don't think I could stand up there. Yeah, he knows that I would not do well.
Look at that. Oh my goodness. Breathtaking. Wow. Oh my gosh. Just enjoy that for a minute. Oh.
They're building a house right there.
Yeah.
That's an expensive house.
Yes. Can go farther down, use the same lookout points. So I think we are done. It's very, very warm and I have the chills. So it's time to head back into air conditioning. you can go down there. What?
How many people do you think have fallen?
Surely people have fallen. I mean, that's horrible to think about, but see the canyons? So you can go and look out up on those spots and look down. There's houses built up over there. It's just gorgeous. You see the streets coming through. Yeah, it's just amazing. See, that's a Karma Grip type thing, and that just, it's so large. I just don't have an interest in that. Gorgeous. Okay, there we go. Let's go back. Okay, we gotta get in the car. Like I've said in our weekly vlogs, I don't sweat very much, or enough, or something. 2 of our kids don't sweat at all. And, whew, it's hot. I got the chills. Oh, he started the car for me. Sweetest man ever. Absolutely stunning. We're gonna go look at some more. We're gonna go across the bridge if we can find it, and just kind of tootle around a little bit and show you some beautiful views of Austin, and then head to the next park. Enjoy the ride.